2026 RAV4 core design combines a sleek, paint-matched grille with Toyota's signature hammerhead front end for a modern take on RAV4. Wide over-fenders with black cladding and an ascending belt line with chiseled body panels complement its SUV proportions. Wheel combinations vary, with 17-, 18-, or 20-inch wheels available, depending on the grade. Core models include the well-equipped LE, XLE, and limited grades. The rugged design is exclusive to the outdoor-inspired Woodland model, which now becomes a standalone grade to the RAV4 lineup. For the rugged design, the peak of the hammerhead front end is slightly raised and its black, split upper and lower grille with integrated rigid industries LED lighting give it an adventurous look. The model also stands about a half-inch higher due to standard all-terrain tires, has standard raised roof rails with crossbars, and a 1¼ rear activity mount for travel-ready versatility. The Woodland grade will have standard AWD and be available in a HEV or PHEV powertrain. At the forefront of the sport designs is the RAV4 GR Sport. Designed with input from the Toyota Gazoo Racing Engineering Division, it takes inspiration from motorsports for a model that is an expression of driving enjoyment. It prioritizes handling, with a GR-tuned suspension and power steering, enhanced body rigidity, and summer tires on unique 20-inch wheels with increased offset. It will be exclusively available with a PHEV powertrain and has a GR functional matrix grille, along with front and rear wing-type spoilers for aggressive style. The XSE and SE grades round out the sport designs. They will be available in HEV or PHEV powertrains and a choice of FWD or AWD depending on grade and have up to 20-inch wheels, blue interior stitching, and available two-tone paint. The new RAV4 comes in PHEV and HEV models, with the PHEV models featuring a newly developed plug-in hybrid system that combines a high-capacity drive battery and high-output charger compatible with Toyota's latest 6th-generation hybrid. The HEV system increases output over the prior generation, climbing to 236 combined system net HP on AWD models, 219 combined system net HP previously. RAV4 Hybrid will also be available in FWD for the first time, and will have 226 combined system net horsepower, a 23 horsepower improvement over the prior generation's 203 horsepower FWD gas model. The latest PHEV system also adds output, with up to an impressive 320 combined system net horsepower, up 18 horsepower over the outgoing system. Variety is also the name of the game for PHEV models, moving from 2 to 4 grades in model year 2026, with the Woodland and GR Sport models joining the previously available SE and XSE. All PHEV models will have standard AWD. The PHEV model also increases its all-electric driving range to a manufacturer's estimated 50-mile range rating. The PHEV XSE and Woodland grades will have DC fast charging, capable of charging from 10% to 80% in approximately 30 minutes. The 2026 RAV4 HEV debuts Toyota's 5th-generation hybrid system on an SUV model. Powered by a 2.5L four-cylinder engine with the 5th-generation hybrid system, it has improvements to the transaxle, power control unit, battery, and other components, all of which contribute to its enhanced motor output. A new plug-in hybrid system will also debut on RAV4. It will have a 2.5L four-cylinder engine with 2 electric motors and high-capacity traction battery. For the new system, Toyota has adopted silicon carbide semiconductors in the front axle to achieve miniaturization and high efficiency. This change, in combination with a larger battery, has led to the increase in range. DC fast charging is also available, with the XSE and Woodland grades being capable of high-speed charging through an equipped CCS charging port. The SE and GR Sport PHEV models will be equipped with a J1772 charging port. Charging at home or with standard public chargers can also be quicker with up to an 11 kW AC onboard charger available. An increase in towing capacity on specific AWD grades adds to RAV4's overall utility. The HEV XLE, Woodland, SE, XSE, Limited and PHEV SE, XSE, and Woodland grades with AWD will be capable of towing up to 3,500 pounds. All FWD models and the LE AWD model will have a 1,750-pound towing capacity.